Today we talk about how can you close account on your WordPress app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on your name here. Just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click on account settings here. It's going to take you to this list here. You will click here on close account. So then here you add your username here. You click here on confirm. So then here automatically here it's going to close with you here on your WordPress app. So that's all you have to do to close your account. That's all. I wish you are great. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.